Hey guys, today I've got a GE black side-by-side refrigerator. It is in excellent condition. It's been very thoroughly tested and cleaned to be in perfect working order. And I do this video as kind of a way for you to get a hands-on feel through the listing. That way when you get here, pay for it, take it home, plug it in, you know everything's going to work great. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my stuff. Anyway, kind of give you a quick look here. Go ahead and open it up. See all the lights and everything work. All the shelves are in excellent shape. Nothing's cracked or broken or anything like that. Give you a real good look here at the inside. The ice maker, water dispenser, all that works perfectly. There's the tag if you want to pause it, you can get all the information off of there. I'll also put it in the ad there as well. Give you a good look here. All the ice fills up in there, and that's a pretty huge ice tray too, which is great for like parties and stuff, barbecues. Plenty of ice. Like I said, just want to give you a real thorough look here. And I'll show you this on the outside. It's pretty simple. You've got a 0 through 7 adjuster, so 7 being the coldest. You can go up or down. Water, crushed, cubed, light, all that works. You can hold that for 3 seconds to lock this out, so kids, pets, nothing like that are gonna get in there and mess this up. But and I don't have it hooked up out here in the garage to the water, but I've already tested all of this, not only the electrical components, but have hooked it up, allowed it to make a few batches of ice and all that. So all of that is good to go. If you have any more questions, need to know anything else about it, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I'll have all the details in the ad itself, including measurements and features and all that. So do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.